Welcome, culinary explorers, to another exciting exploration of taste and texture in the world of seafood. Today we're embarking on a mouth-watering journey, comparing the taste and texture of two marine delicacies, shrimp and lobster. As we delve deeper into this gastronomic adventure, feel free to feast your curiosity on our other seafood explorations in our playlist. Don't forget to subscribe, share our gastronomic insights, and leave us your thoughts in the comments. Now prepare your taste buds as we dive into the delicious world of shrimp and lobster. Shrimp, a versatile and widely loved seafood, offers a unique taste experience. It's a testament to the culinary world's creativity and diversity, with a flavor profile that's delightfully complex yet perfectly simple. When it comes to taste, shrimp boasts a mild, slightly sweet flavor that's subtly briny, a whisper of the ocean, if you will. It's a taste that's understated yet distinct, a delicate balance that's not too overpowering, but still leaves a memorable imprint on the palate. This taste, coupled with its versatility, makes shrimp a popular choice in a wide array of dishes, from the simple shrimp cocktail to the complex flavors of shrimp gumbo. But what of the texture? Now that's where shrimp truly shines. Shrimp, when cooked just right, offers a firm yet delicate texture. It's not as chewy as calamari, nor as flaky as fish. Instead, it occupies a unique middle ground, firm enough to provide a satisfying bite, yet delicate enough to melt in your mouth. This texture is one of the reasons why shrimp is a favorite in stir-fries, pasta, and even on the grill. Now, let's talk about shrimp's global popularity. From the spicy tom yum goong in Thailand to the traditional shrimp and grits in the American South, shrimp is a seafood star in cuisines around the world. It's a testament to shrimp's universal appeal, crossing cultural boundaries and uniting food lovers in their appreciation for this tasty crustacean. In Spain, you'll find it sautéed in garlic for gambas al ajillo. In Italy, it's often tossed with linguine and a simple, flavorful sauce. In Japan, it's battered and deep-fried for tempura. Shrimp's ability to adapt and enhance a multitude of dishes is simply remarkable, making it an invaluable asset in any culinary repertoire. From appetizers to main courses, shrimp is indeed a culinary delight. But how does it compare to its seafood cousin, the lobster? Lobster, a symbol of luxury in the culinary world, presents a distinct taste and texture profile. This marine crustacean, often associated with fine dining and special occasions, has carved its niche in the world of gastronomy due to its unique characteristics. Let's explore the taste of lobster first. It's a delicacy that has a rich, slightly sweet flavor. Some describe it as having a hint of the ocean without being overwhelmingly fishy. It's a balanced taste, not too strong yet not too subtle. A well-cooked lobster is like a symphony of flavors that dances on your palate, creating a taste experience that's nothing short of exquisite. Now let's delve into the texture. A lobster, when cooked right, presents a firm and meaty texture. It's not flaky like most fish, nor is it chewy or rubbery. Instead, it's delightfully tender with a bite that's satisfyingly substantial. The lobster meat, especially from the tail, is dense and succulent, providing a hearty mouthfeel that is both indulgent and satisfying. Lobster is often seen as a prestigious choice on menus, primarily because of its price tag and the skill required in cooking it perfectly. It's a star ingredient in many fine dining dishes, from the classic lobster thermidor to the simple yet elegant lobster bisque. But beyond the glitz and glamour, lobster is also a nutritious choice. It's packed with protein, low in fat, and a good source of essential nutrients like vitamin B12 and zinc, making it a healthy indulgence. However, it's not just about the taste and texture. The experience of eating a lobster, cracking open the shell and extracting the meat, adds to the overall pleasure and enjoyment. It's a culinary adventure, a gastronomic journey that transcends beyond mere sustenance. Lobster, with its unique flavor and texture, certainly holds its own in the seafood universe, but how does it stack up against shrimp? That's a question that will surely ignite the curiosity of any food enthusiast. So let's delve into that in our next segment. Now let's pit shrimp against lobster in the ultimate taste test. Imagine two culinary gladiators entering the arena, each with their unique strengths and flavors. On one side, we have the shrimp, a creature of versatility, known for its mild, slightly sweet, and almost nutty flavor. It's a bit like the chameleon of the seafood world, adeptly taking on the flavors of the ingredients it's cooked with. Whether it's a spicy Cajun dish or a delicate pasta, shrimp knows how to play its part without overpowering the ensemble. Now, let's turn our attention to the other side of this culinary showdown, the lobster. This crustacean is often considered the king of the seafood world, and for good reason. It has a rich, sweet and slightly briny flavor that is distinctive and memorable. Lobster doesn't play in the background, it takes the center stage, and quite rightfully so. Its taste is so unique that it's often enjoyed with minimal seasoning, allowing its natural flavor to shine through. A bit of melted butter, a squeeze of lemon, and voila, you have a meal fit for a king. But this isn't a simple battle of mild versus rich. Each contender brings something unique to the table. Shrimp, with its versatility, is like a blank canvas, allowing chefs to experiment and create a wide range of dishes. Lobster, on the other hand, is like a masterpiece that needs no embellishment. Its flavor is so robust and distinct that it's often the star of the show, with other ingredients playing supporting roles. So, who wins this taste test? Well, it's not about winners or losers. It's about appreciating the unique qualities each brings to our plates. Shrimp and lobster, each in their own way, tantalize our taste buds and make our culinary experiences richer. In terms of taste, both shrimp and lobster offer unique experiences. But what about their textures? Let's move on to the texture tussle between shrimp and lobster. Now, texture is a crucial aspect when it comes to the overall experience of enjoying seafood. It's not just about the taste, but also about how the food feels as we chew and savor it. Now, when we talk about shrimp, its texture is firm yet delicate. It's almost crisp, offering a satisfying snap when you bite into it. This is due to the structure of the shrimp's muscles, which are long and thin, allowing for a delightful, almost springy texture. The shrimp's texture also absorbs flavors beautifully, making it a versatile choice that can mingle with a variety of sauces and seasonings. On the other hand, we have the lobster. Lobster presents a meatier, denser texture. It's robust and substantial, making it feel more hearty and filling. The meat is chunkier, offering a substantial chew that is both satisfying and indulgent. It's a texture that truly stands up to its rich, buttery flavors. So, on one side of the ring, we have the shrimp with its firm yet delicate texture, a delightful snap that is both light and satisfying. On the other side, we have the lobster with its meaty, dense texture, a substantial chew that feels indulgent and luxurious. But here's the thing, there's no winner or loser in this texture tussle. Both shrimp and lobster bring their own unique textural elements to the table, creating different sensory experiences. Some may prefer the light, delicate bite of the shrimp, while others may be drawn to the hearty, substantial chew of the lobster. The beauty of this is that it allows us to enjoy a wide range of textural experiences, all within the realm of seafood. It's not about which is better, but rather about appreciating the diversity of textures that seafood has to offer. Whether you prefer the delicate bite of shrimp or the meaty chew of lobster, there's no denying that both offer intriguing textural experiences. Our taste and texture journey through the world of shrimp and lobster has been a fascinating one. As we've learned, these two oceanic delicacies, though similar in some respects, present a world of difference in flavor and feel. Shrimp, with its mild and versatile flavor, is like a blank canvas ready to soak up a myriad of sauces and spices. It can be the subtle star of a dish, allowing other ingredients to shine, or it can take center stage when prepared with a bit of panache. Its delicate texture, light and slightly crisp when cooked just right, only adds to its culinary appeal. On the other hand, we have lobster, the king of the crustaceans. Its rich, distinctive flavor is unmistakable and unforgettable. Whether it's grilled, boiled or steamed, lobster brings a touch of luxury to any meal. And let's not forget its meaty texture. Firm yet tender, it's a delight to sink your teeth into. It's clear that both shrimp and lobster have their unique charm, each bringing something different to the table. They invite us to explore the vast spectrum of taste and texture that the culinary world has to offer. Whether you're a fan of shrimp, a lobster lover, or a seafood enthusiast in general, remember that the world of taste and texture is as wide and varied as the ocean itself. Until our next culinary adventure,